Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Watch me go from this to this. Okay, so first of all, I have my hair all cornrowed. I did it myself, so it's not so like neat. You can do it yourself because you're going to still put the crochet on top. And okay, this is how I curled it. I curled the braiding hair on a straw, and now I also used hot water to make it curly. This is me unraveling it. This is how I unravel it. And then I'm going to stretch it a bit so that it will be easier to unravel even better, because we're going to separate it to give that fussy hair look. So you separate it gently. If there's a snag, you just tug on it a bit. Yeah, that's a bigger snag, so I'm just trying to separate it into 2 or 3 parts. Just do it to your liking. Okay, this is how it looks when you're done unraveling it. It looks like this 4C kind of hair. It has that texture. So there's the long one. This is the short one actually. Let me show you the long one. This is the longer one. I put the short and the long side by side so that you can see how long they are. I'm going to be using the short one on the back of my head and the middle, and I'm going to be using the longer one on the front part of my hair. So I'm going to be using the crochet pin. If you want like a more detailed video on how I do this, please let me know. I will put that up as soon as possible once I see in the comments section that you guys really want it. So this is how you hold the hair. You slide the crochet pin. Actually, this way is a bit more like it's harder this way. So, but let me do it this way first. You slide it in, and then you bring it out. It's going to be like a loop, so you unravel the loop on one side only. Stretch the other part, and then just give it 1 knot. The reason why I gave it 1 knot was because I'm going to loosen the hair very, very, very soon. So this is another one. Put the crochet pin inside your hair. Pull out the braiding hair on one part. Stretch it and then give it just 1 knot if you don't want it to last too long. This is very easy. So now I'm just going to be doing the rest of my hair.
Why are we going around? Why are we turning around? Baby, this is crazy. Why are we fighting now? We've been here before. Baby, this still crazy. Baby, this is deja vu. Deja vu. I know we've been here before. Yes, we've been here before. Baby, this is deja vu. Deja vu. I know we've been here before. Yes, we've been here before. Ooh, oh. Tell me you love me, you don't. Tell me you love me, you don't. No, you don't. If you love me, you stop. If you love me, you stay. Yes, you stay. Show me the way to your heart, 'cause you've been gone from the start. Yes, you've been. I need to know what we're doing. Baby, you don't. Show me you care. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. Baby, you don't deserve my heart. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. I need to know. I need to know. I need to know. I need
So now I'm just going to cut off the part. You know, the whole point of cutting it is to make it look neat, but then again, 4C hair texture isn't like always perfect in terms of length. There are some that look shorter, you know, they're tight curls, so you want to make it look as natural as possible. Yes, cut it, but don't make it too artificial looking. The whole point of this video, the whole point of this hairstyle is to look very natural, just like it's your hair, your own natural hair, and 4C texture. I'm just going to be cutting off the ends of the other side. You can give a professional this video to watch just so that they can see what you want if you don't want to do it yourself. But I'm the DIY queen and this is how I roll. I'm just going to fluff it out a little bit. Just chop up some extras at the back. If you want a more detailed video on how I did the cornrows or how I did the twist on the straw, just let me know. Leave it down in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now is a great time to, because I have a lot of very interesting content for you guys. Lots of hair tutorial and makeup and yeah, fashion, possibly lifestyle. Hit the notification bell too so that you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos.
Why are we going around? Why are we turning around? Baby, this is crazy. Why are we fighting now? We've been here before, baby, this still crazy.
Remember that as you cut it, as you trim it, you also fluff it out to see how natural looking it is. If it's up, if it's to your liking. If you're good at maintaining hair, this should last you like a week and a half, 2 weeks. If you're really good at maintaining curls, you know, it's synthetic hair, it's braiding hair, so it's not like you're expected to take it off for 3 months. So here I'm just doing my edges because they've got to be laid and slayed. If you're not into big hair, I don't know if you would like this one, but it's really light on the head. It doesn't look as heavy as you might think it looks. It's really light. You won't even remember you have something on your head. Like, it's the easiest and lightest hairstyle ever.
Turning around, baby, this is crazy. Why are we fighting now? We've been here.
So guys, this is the finished look. This is the finished look. Look how natural it looks. Looks like my own real 4C hair or 4D. I think some people would call this 4D. Well, whatever the texture, natural. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, because sharing is caring. Bye.